and then don't arrest it.
From the top.
Have y'all ever wondered why the climate is changing by a show of hands? Okay. First, let's take a look at some facts about climate change. My name is Tevin, and I'll be speaking to you about climate change. So first, it's about the Earth, really. The greenhouse gases are getting trapped in the atmosphere, which warms up the atmosphere and causes heat. And super pollutants play a big role in this, such as what comes for us, like landfills and agriculture, transportation, and refrigerants, which is from gas that we use from our cars and refrigerants that we use for AC in our houses. And humans are in trouble because 3.1 million people died last year, and an additional 250,000 people are getting affected by this from oh shit, this is the wrong report. My fault. Okay. And people are dying last year from malnutrition, malaria, and also from heat stress. Malaria is a disease that attacks the red blood cells, which comes from typically mosquitoes. And malnutrition is like the food, and heat stress is also from just the heat and people being stressed out. The sea level is rising, which is causing the animals to move out of their habitats and also causing people to move out of their homes. This is a chronic condition, and by 2100, they say about 1.2 million coastal homes will be moved out. People will be moved out of their homes. And also this causes wildfires for the animals as well. 80% of people start the wildfires, but also just because the hot from the climate and also dry conditions make the fire easier to spread and hard for it to get put out. And what we have talked about is how it affects the earth, how it affects humans, and also how it affects animals. Climate change may cause the animals to face extinction soon from deforestation, from human needs. The CO2 is being let out in the air when we deforest by taking the trees from their forests, which is also their homes where they stay at. And the temperatures are rising, which causes evaporation, which makes it very hard for the animals to get water and to produce. And it gathers moisture in the atmosphere, which leaves the ground dry, and they have nowhere to eat or drink water. They're just stuck. And they also have, my last point is also from, I don't know how where it's from, but I got it from a website, but it's since the 1970s we have used the satellites and many other different types of technology that we proved the greenhouse gases have influenced the climate. So basically it's just some facts, it's proof that the climate is really changing. And that's all I have.